Good morning. We're heading to Chiang Mai today. I'm already out of breath, but hey, it is what it is. It's actually been going very smooth so far, and I don't want to kind of jinx it compared to the last time, but taxi driver arrived on time. We were stuck in a little bit of traffic and I was kind of getting a bit panicky, but I left it with loads of time. We arrived, got to the shop, had to get me ticket because it's before the office hours, so I had to go see a security guard. I walked in, he basically approached me and goes, "Martin." I'm like, "Yeah." So got me ticket and all, and I had to cross the road. As you can see, it's a bit of a dodgy road, I don't know. And now we're just waiting for the train. We've got about an hour to spare, so happy days. Everything's been going well, except for I recorded the video there and I realised my mic was on the other bag. So you should be able to hear me this time. It's now 7:20. The train doesn't leave until 8:30, so I've plenty of time to just check out the, I was going to say airport, but it's the train station. And from my last experience on the train, and it's a second class train, number 7 from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, leaves at 7:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. and should arrive at 7:30 p.m. I've experienced that, like, you know, you're going to need some snacks and stuff on the train, and I don't want to risk jumping off at the train stations and grabbing something there, so I just bought a lot of chocolate sweets and snacks and drinks as well to bring onto the train. So it's been surprisingly well so far this morning, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I'm a little optimistic but cautious at the same time. I'll feel a lot more happier when we're on the train with the bag sorted and in my seat. Hopefully it's not too full so I can get some nice footage. Trip goes, I should be going out to platform 10 now in the next few minutes, and then try to get onto the train, hopefully a little bit early so I can kind of settle in and get my gear all packed away nice and neatly without the train moving, and then settle in for the long ride. If it's busy on the train, you know I'm not going to talk, but I'll try to get some cool footage if I can, like walking down through the aisles, not speaking like I am now. Like, I'm even nervous as hell doing this, but it is what it is. I'm still not used to it. Anyway, that's not me, but I'm just making it look like it is me just for the video, so I have to go, so I have to stop recording this. Train is really 3 cars. So far not packed, but as you go along I'm sure there'll be more people picked up. Nashon is public transport. Seems comfortable enough. You got the table tray, you know, do a bit of work, bit of eating away, and you get the window view. But the thing I hate about windows, and I was hoping to get like one of the roll up and down ones, is that the camera's not going to pick up the best views. The one I'm sitting at is horrible, but the one across the way looks a bit better. Maybe it's because the sun is looking at it, so I'm hoping I get some decent footage at some stage. And we'll see how it goes, but I feel comfortable, and it's air conditioned. It's air conditioned, yeah, it's air conditioned. So I'm happy enough with air conditioning. But it would have been tortured the other way, but at least I would have got better footage of the scenery and all that. So we'll see how it works out. But I'm on the train. My bags are away. The last stop is Chiang Mai. That's where I'm getting off, so I can take my time getting off, because I'm not going to be driving away straight away. It was a bit of a struggle getting them, because you have to go up these narrow tight stairs and all, and it's like I've got this big huge suitcase. I'm going to probably have to send some stuff home, just because I won't be using most of this stuff for the rest of the trip, like my drone, my Oculus, and some of my lights for my photography. I won't be using most of them, so I might just send them home and then just drop down the bag size a bit for more convenient travel in the future. Anyway, let's see how the rest of this goes, and if it's terrible, there's going to be some footage when I arrive in Chiang Mai.
You can't stop me now, can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now, can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at, ain't turning back around. destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now.
We have here. Let's see this stuff. This looks like some sort of donut spoon type thing, and then we got some satay fried mackerels, which I'm definitely not going to be eating. We got a plastic spoon and fork, which I'm going to use to eat, not eat. Then we have green curry. We have some pretzels. Rice and some water. I was not expecting that. So pretty fairly decent.
No, you can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, you can't stop me now. No, you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, you can't stop me now.
That's the end of that day.